Welcome to your guides. This is the first of the setups. If you're going to use your bed, then this is how I would recommend doing it. So we're speeding it up as this takes a little bit of time, and I'm sure you don't want to watch the whole thing in real time. But you're going to take your towels and roll them lengthways around and around to form a well. And that well is what will support your baby when they are on top and being posed. So once you've created a well and it has a nice surface area around it, this will help to avoid any dramatic drop-offs. Then you want to take your blankets and start building up the area. For this particular purpose, I will show you one blanket, but for reference, the more blankets you have, the smoother your posing blanket will appear on top. So once you've got your posing blanket, you want to build up a wall behind. For this purpose, just use some pillows. You're going to stack the pillows on top of each other. The more pillows you have, the higher the wall, and you will have more flexibility and room when it comes to photographing your baby side on. So you can see the well placed in position there with where the light's coming through from the window. And just to reiterate, the more blankets you have, the smoother that top blanket is going to appear.